Objective and use case. In this case, you will build a digital logic circuit that replicates a residential two-way switching system, hallway light, using a single 74HC00 Quad NAND Gate IC. By combining 4 NAND gates, you will synthesize the exclusive OR XOR function, proving that NAND gates are universal building blocks. Why it is useful. Times residential wiring simulation. Demonstrates how two switches can independently toggle a single load. Hallway divided by staircase logic. Times digital logic synthesis. Teaches how to build complex logic, XOR, from basic universal gates, NA and D, times arithmetic circuits. This specific XOR topology is the fundamental component of a digital half-adder used in CPU ALUs. Times error. Detection, XOR logic is used to calculate parity bits for data transmission.
Would you like to really get electronics, computer science, and AI without drowning in endless theory? At prometeo.blog, you learn by actually building and coding. Every week, we publish concise micro-tutorials, technical comparisons, and product overviews to help you decide what to buy and how to use it. But the real gem is our practical cases. Very detailed guides that take you from the bill of materials all the way to final validation. You'll design and test circuits with analog components like resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, inductors, relays, and transformers, and with digital logic like AND, OR, NOT, NAND gates, etc. You'll build projects with FPGA, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ESP32 or Jetson, and even the UGV robot. Everything is step-by-step, exact commands, ready-to-run code, wiring guides, real electrical schematics, SPICE net lists with real simulation plots, troubleshooting guides, upgrades, and much more. All our posts are available in both Spanish and English. At the end of each article, you'll find a short quiz so you can quickly check what you've learned. You also get your own private Prometeo ChatGPT tutor, specialized in electronics, computer science, and AI, with precise knowledge of all the content on the blog. Point. If you really want to learn by doing, advancing one project at a time. Head over to prometeo.blog and get started today.